Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahmaina Tanara from class 11 Accounting 4. I will present the biographical figure of Jenderal Sudirman. About Jenderal Sudirman. Jenderal Sudirman, real name is Raden Sudirman. He was born on January 24, 1916 in Purbalingga, Central Java Province. He was born into an ordinary family and was adopted by his uncle, who was a sub-district head. When he was 7 years old, he went to school at Hollands Inland School, which then continued to Taman Siswa when he was 8 years old. Then he was transferred again to the Wirotomo School because the judge considered the student garden to be an illegal institution the following year. He also continued his studies at Quick School, a special school for prospective teachers, although it was not completed due to financial problems. His personal teacher was named Muhammad Khalil, who appointed the general to become a teacher at the Hollands Inland School. Thanks to his intelligence, General Sudirman also helped found an Islamic organization when he was still a teenager, namely Hizbul Watan, belonging to the Muhammadiyah organization. Because of his dedication from an early age, he was finally given the trust to lead the organization at Cilacap branch. In Cilacap, the general also met his sweetheart Alifa, his wife, who was the daughter of a rich batik entrepreneur namely Raden Sosro Atmojo. In the Dutch era, General Sudirman was not yet known as a fighter. According to Hatta, the general was known by people as a teacher. During the Japanese occupation in 1942, his teaching activities were restricted by Japan and the school where he taught was used as Japanese military post. General Sudirman successfully negotiated with the Japanese government so that he could continue to teach native children there. Due to his active involvement, the general was finally appointed as chairman of the Japanese Former Residency Council in 1944. Since then, General Sudirman began to be active in the military world and joined PETA, and then he went to study military. After graduating from military education, General Sudirman joined the Creative Battalion. General Sudirman military period. PATA Batch 2 in Bogor. Chairman of the Banyumas Residency People's Security Agency, Central Java Province. Lieutenant Colonel Commander of Regiment 1, Division 1 of the People's Security Army, DKR. Colonel Commander of Division 5, DKR Banyumas, Central Java Province. The General Supreme Commander DKR on November 12, 1945. General Commander-in-Chief of TRI on May 25, 1946. General Commander-in-Chief TNI. General Sudirman role in leading the guerrilla war. General Sudirman played a key role in leading the guerrilla war against the Dutch colonialists during the Indonesian War of Independence. starting for developing strategies, choosing strategic location for guerrilla bases including forest, mountain, and inland area that were difficult for the troops to reach. This allows guerrilla to move freely and be difficult for the enemy to pursue. Sudirman's success in organizing the guerrilla troops effectively, even though they consisted of various groups coming from various backgrounds and regions. He built cohesion among them to work together in guerrilla warfare. Apart from leading the guerrilla troops, Sudirman also played a role in coordinating with the government of the Republic of Indonesia to align military strategy with political policy in the fight for independence. This is a picture during guerrilla war. Jenderal Sudirman is one of Indonesian national heroes who is known for the noble value he upheld during his struggle. Able to lead by example, has courage, and he is never afraid to face challenge and risks in the struggle against colonialism. These firmness helped direct strategic steps in the War of Independence. He was willing to sacrifice for the independence and glory of the Indonesian nation. The general was later declared an Indonesian national hero on December 10, 1964 by President Sukarno. In 1997, General Sudirman was awarded the posthumous title of Great General by Suharto, a title that only the people in Indonesia have had until now. Thank you. What I have explained below are several summary of General Sudirman biography. If there are any errors, please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.